once we started showing those pieces, the bigger pieces, that how beautiful or I got this ring, I'm not gonna lie, because I do know Kristen loves butterflies.
I'm a butterfly lover.
Yeah, I got this ring. You have those beautiful butterflies on the side.
So this is only $42.99. So are you into math?
32.
$42.99.
Oh no.
Huh?
Like, look at the size of the and the beautiful butterflies. So let me just do a quick tour of this. I appreciate you, Jack. Thank you for the kisses. All the gemstones are this is actually going to show you the butterfly detail. Isn't that cool? Butterfly detail on the side. Really ornate. Beautiful faceting.
Nope.
Gorgeous color saturation. The polish is really nice. Bezel setting. What I like about this is that it's completely finished on the inside, so it's just a live polished silver against your skin. So when you put it on,
Huh?
Just like regular. Oh, you're like a joy. Oh, I heard that.
Reminder, maybe if a butterfly is a symbol of someone who's passed on or with you every day, or that doesn't matter that they're there with you, or on you know, it's that reminder to you that you are, you know, you're blossoming and the best is yet to come, and you know, it's just there are so many wonderful aspects of that you will be able to see.
Oh shit.
And I do actually love butterflies as
Huh?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Ție mă, păsicule, mă.
Okay, Baba, let's step it up. Show me the apple.
But like it's really nice saturation themselves, but it's just like I said, it's this I don't know, it's just this nice reminder like you know, like I always think of butterflies
of course.
big praise light with one of the the really super nice ones. She's like, I cannot stop staring at it. Thank you so much.